to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is what's the big goal? So when with a we, those of us in managing our individual finances or a small business, that's my market segment, when we're managing our taxes and accounting work, what's the goal? What are we trying to accomplish? So let me step back and say that when I was in business school, quite a few years ago now, the big term, the big concept, the most dominant line of thinking was management by objective. Now, since that, over the decades, other management concepts have stepped in and perhaps taken a bigger role. But when we're talking about small businesses and individuals, I can't think of a better starting point and management structure than managing by objective. If we can define the objective, then we can move forward with a solid, sustainable work plan. So what is the objective? Well, from a client's perspective, it's actually pretty straightforward. I want to get rich. I want to pay as little tax or no tax. Occasionally we'll hear, I want to make sure that my tax return is bulletproof, absolutely error-free, audit-proof. Another, even more rare, and in fact fictitious goal is I want to make sure there are no errors in my accounting system, that my bookkeeping is 100% accurate. That's more of an ADD type of thinking, but it does exist in reality. The thinking exists, the work product does not. So what do we do? What does a accounting and tax professional do with that? How do we define it as a starting point for our work? I would suggest that it goes something like this. We want to identify, analyze, and manage the risks in our financial, accounting, and tax systems to an acceptable level, considering the costs and the benefits of each of the tools that's available to us. Now, I know that's a mouthful, and I'll probably repeat it again, but would love to hear your thoughts and comments, feedback on what do you consider your big goal, and what's your reaction when I define it the way that I do. I'd love to hear from you on social media comments or contact me one-on-one at taxproblems.cpa. Has a little link to set up a phone call, send an email, or whatever you want to use to get in touch. I will be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.